Ciao a tutti and welcome to this grammar video where I'll be explaining the comparatives in Italian, I comparativi. Comparative adjectives are used to compare differences between two persons, animals, objects, or situations. So, for example, if I want to compare Joseph with Marco and say that Joseph is taller than Marco, or maybe that Joseph is more intelligent than Marco, we know that in English I need to use the structure either more plus adjective plus than. Or, for example, I can just add the ending er to the adjective. In Italian, it's actually easier. You just need to put più before the adjective to express majority. So to say that Joseph is taller than Marco, we would say Joseph è più alto di Marco. Or if I want to say that Joseph is more intelligent than Marco, I still need to use the same structure. Joseph è più intelligente di Marco. And if I want to say that Marco is less tall than Joseph, that less will be translated with meno. And so to say that Marco is less tall than Joseph, I will say Marco è meno alto di Joseph. To express equality instead, we know that in English we would use the structure as plus adjective plus as, such as Giulia is as tall as me. In Italian, this will be translated as Giulia è alta quanto me. And so the adjective will be followed by either come or quanto. There are some cases also where we can use che after the adjective to say what we are comparing something with instead of di, as we have just seen. So one of the most typical examples when we can use che instead of di is when we compare two different situations or actions. And so we use the infinitive verb. So like the example shows. So mangiare è più facile che cucinare. Eating is easier than cooking. Or giocare è meno noioso che lavorare. Playing is less boring than working. So in this case, as you can see, because I'm using in the infinitive form of the verb, I need to use che instead of di. To make sure you have learned the structures, take the quizzes available in these slides. And I will see you at the next grammar video.